I'm currently getting ready for work. And I just curled my hair, so I thought I'd do like a little video of me brushing it because it's kind of like satisfying. See, there we go. You ready? Ooh. Oh yeah. This has been like my style lately, where I'll do like curls and then I'll just brush through them whenever they're all nice and like cool down. And it always makes my hair look so like just nice and soft and like pretty. So yeah, basically you curl your whole head of hair with like one of these kind of curling irons. And then you just kind of hit it with some hairspray while it's like cooling. And then once it's all like good, you just take like one of these brushes that like, what's it called? Like this stuff. I don't know what this is called. Bristles? I guess these are bristles, but you know what I mean? The ones that like have like the hair bristles, I guess. And you just brush it all through. I bought one of these brushes so I could learn how to do like blowouts on myself. And honestly, it's so hard. And I was just like, okay, you know what? I don't think I'm really that great at blowouts, so I'm just gonna stick to my curling iron, you know? Cause I like doing this method because then it makes my hair just like look kind of like I got a blowout. But then it also just kind of makes it look like nice and like just like soft and like kind of 70s-ish almost. Yeah, that's about it. Super easy. Once it's all brushed, I'll kind of just take my head and I'll just kind of do these headbang a little, you know? And then it really like comes out looking nice. See that? Yeah, I'll take off my jacket that way you can really like see the contrast of my hair. Look how pretty that looks. I love it. Like, so cute. But yeah, that's my little hair tutorial on how to get like some nice, pretty hair. Ow. This freaking hood like stabbed me in the eye. That hurt. Okay. Put my jacket back on. Yeah, that's my hair tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I mean, obviously, if you're a girl, you most likely know how to curl your hair. Not all girls, I'm not trying to stereotype, but like, most girls know how to curl their hair, you know? So I felt like I didn't really have to share that part because like, just watch another tutorial. If you don't know how to curl hair, just go watch a different tutorial on how to curl hair and then just do exactly what I did right now. And you'll get the same results. Ooh. Love it. Okay. I'm not finished getting ready for my day. I still have to like eat breakfast. And then I have to go to the tattoo shop. So I'll get on with my day. Bye guys.